It's in the golf cart on the right side.
Oh, okay.
Oh, this smells like the bay.
It is.
All right, it's 17th of June, and we got the ladies getting ready to do some kayaking. Hi, Sydney. I got the camera on you. Hi, baby. Hey, Jake. Hey, guys.
Let's give reapply sunscreen to her in a little bit.
Yeah.
Did we bring it?
Like an hour. She needs more sunscreen.
Well, we're gonna be in the. We will.
Ready? You're gonna push me out? Or you not pushing you out? Here, put that up there in front of the water.
Girls!
Anybody else bring another thing of water? No. Just only
Yes, I got 2 waters in there.
Can you grab me one?
You can put yourself
Yeah.
Jacob. That's Jacob.
Kayla. Never mind, we got it. Mom's getting it.
That's the one I opened and brought with me.
Hun, bring both of them for him, okay?
What size?
There you go, Liz.
You want to take it to him? I'll hold your golf club.
Here you go.
Get both of them to him. Thank you.
Come on, Caleb. Something deeper. You'll be fine.
Brandy's up front, huh? All right, Sydney.
Red leader.
Sydney, you gonna go down and say see you later, Mama?
Come here, give me a kiss.
Yeah, we wanted to give you another.
Thank you very much.
You guys can't have enough water out there, I'm telling you.
We're not going to get bit by a shark, but thank you for asking.
She'll be careful, Sydney.
Okay.
Sydney. Oh, goodness.
Use that bottle of water to wipe off your
All right, ladies. Bon voyage. Break a leg.
Come on, Kayla.
Watch out for the crabs.
over. I do not want your back over, Elizabeth.
Bon voyage. Later, Gators. Well, at least you're going in the right direction. Ah.
Bye, Mommy!
Sydney said goodbye.
Bye, Mommy!
She's concentrating. It looks like they're doing a loop right back to the shore. You good, guys? So give us a call when you head back in. Do they have the keys to their car? Okay. All right, is it putt-putt golf time? Okay, see you, ladies. Hey, at least they're going in the right direction. See ya.
Bye.
Yeah, you what, darling?
Go get the other water.
Oh, they want to go out and on the water on a kayak, and that's what they're doing.
I thought they're not just by sharks.
Oh, there's no sharks there, hon.
Let's go. I got more water up there, but
All right, let's go. We'll leave them shoes there for them. Hey, grab the golf clubs. Grandma, I didn't know if you wanted to play golf or just hang out with us. That's why you get those vests on. Okay. Yeah, I can carry them,
Where's the
honey.
blue one?
Okay, baby.
Really? Where are they?
You're right out there.
Oh my God, they're going to get stuck.
Yeah, they'll have fun coming back. All right, let's go. It's putt-putt golf time.
Butt off now.
And my damn pants are falling off. Okay, we'll see you later.